Let's get started on priming this truck. Let's go. We gotta let the floor down now. We already degreased it, tacked off the truck. We can start priming. Down. Let's get some of this paint mixed up, and I'm gonna start with the rockers and stuff, so that way I don't run out of paint. That's pretty thick. There we go, guys. I'm freaking pumped. We got this thing all primed. This is not the end of this video. We got to get the underneath of this undercoated, but I'm running out of time today because that's going to take quite a bit of time. Tomorrow after work, I'll start it. We're going to O'Reilly's tomorrow, right? Me and Morgan's going to head up to O'Reilly's tomorrow because we got all new engine mounts for this, throttle cable, speedometer cable. I think that's about it right now that we bought from them. So constantly buying parts for this thing. By the time we get the engine, we should have literally everything we need to put it back together, hopefully, and everything should be painted. But yeah, stay tuned. Tomorrow I'll come out here and we'll start undercoating this bad boy. Gotta do where we put that new floor pan in, and I just want to get paint on all this. We also gotta wash it first too. Stay tuned, guys. She's undercoated, she's freaking washed, she's ready for paint. Humidity is way too high today. Maybe not for some people, but for me, I don't want to paint in it. Anyway, so let's get this thing painted like Thursday. You guys will get to see it turn red. Hope you guys are pumped for that. Let's try to push out. I'm gonna try to push out some longer videos for you guys. So videos might not get as many done a week, but you'll get longer ones. Hopefully one a week. If you guys are still here, give me a like, and if you're new, give me subscribe. I'll be back once we spraying this thing down with some paint. Paint time! So got Morgan out here helping me. If you want to say hello, Morgan. She's getting that ready to be mixed up, poured. We're gonna throw the mask on and start painting. I think I'm gonna start with the inside of the truck, go up to the roof, get the roof done, go down. We gotta do 3 coats of the black cherry flip, and then we gotta do some clear coat. So let's get it done, guys. Stay tuned. So we got 2 coats of the base coat on right now. I'm not gonna do another coat on the inside. I'm pretty sure it's completely covered in there. Hopefully I don't bite myself in the butt later on about that. But anyway, we're gonna go in, do one more coat of the base coat, and then we'll clear it. I'll show you guys the finished product when we're done. Everything's going good so far. The roof's kind of hard to get still, but we're getting it done. We got it done. It's looking pretty good for me. Some orange peel here and there like usual that I've been getting. Can't seem to fix that problem. But anyway, it's definitely red now. Truck looks big time, big difference. I like it. It's gonna look good all put back together. I got the dash up here because that's gonna be the next videos you guys see. I'm gonna be painting that, the door cards, and we'll be getting that ready to go back inside. So yeah, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you guys made it to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Who knows what we'll be doing. I know one of the videos coming up, obviously we'll be painting that stuff. But yeah, stay tuned, share my videos. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get there. See you guys for the next one.